Our lesson today, solving quadratic simultaneous equation. We have two equations, one quadratic and the second linear. We need to solve them to find the intersection point or to find the point which satisfies two equations. Linear equation, this is straight line. At the quadratic, this like a curve. So we need to find the 2 points. So by solve the two simultaneous equation, we can find these 2 points. Now how to solve? Start with the linear equation, then find x or y. Now we have x equal to y plus 6. Then substitute in the quadratic. So start from the linear, get x or y, then substitute in the quadratic. Now we have x equal to y plus 6. By substitution, so we have 2y plus 6 squared, because this x squared, so 2y plus 6 squared. Substitute x by 2y plus 6. Then you have 2y plus 6 squared plus y squared equal 36. This is a quadratic equation we can expand and solve. So by expand, 2y times 2y, so 4y squared. 6 multiplied by 6 equals 36. The middle term, 2 times 6, 12. 12 times 2, 24, so 24y. 24y plus y squared equals 36. Now we can cancel this 36 with that one. So 4y squared plus 1y squared equal 5y squared plus 24y equals 0. Now we have a quadratic equation we can solve to using your calculator to find the values for y. Mode 5, 3, then 5, a5, b24, c equals 0. So now the answer, y equal negative 4.8 and y equal the other value 0. Or you can factorize and get that. You can factorize. So this y, now we substitute to find x equal 2 into negative 4.8, because we need to substitute in that one to find x. 2 times negative 4.8 plus 6. So what is the answer? 2. And the other value, x equal 2 times 0 plus 6, which is 6. So the other value, 2 times negative 4.8 plus 6 equal negative 3.6. So the 2 points, negative 3.6 and negative 4.8. The second point, x equals 6 and y equals 0, so 6 and 0. Number 2 by your own. Then you check your answer. From the first equation, y equal to x minus 3, we substitute in the quadratic. So x squared plus 2x minus 3 squared equals 2. Now expand. So x squared, 2x times 2x, 4x squared. Negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. 2 times negative 3 times 2, negative 6 times, so negative 12. X equals 2. Combine the like terms. X squared and 4x squared, so 5x squared. Minus 12x. 9 minus 2. Transpose 2 to the other side by negative, so 9 minus 2 equals 7, plus 7 equals 0. Now use your calculator to find the values for x. A is 5, B negative 12, C 7. So then A is 5, B negative 12, C 7. So x1 equal 1, the other value 1.4. After you find x, you can substitute to find y. So y equal, now substitute from that equation. So y equal 2 into 1 minus 3, so negative 1. Same for the other value. Y equal 2 times 1.4 minus 3, 2 times 1.4 minus 3, so negative 0.2. So the 2 points, 1 and negative 1, and the second point 1.4 and negative 0.2. Number 3, y equals 3x plus 2. This is the linear equation. Then substitute in the quadratic. So we have x squared plus y, which is 3x plus 2, all squared, equals 20. Now expand this bracket. So x squared, 3x times 3x, 9x squared. 2 times 2, 4. The middle term, 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. So 12x equals 20. So combine the like terms. X squared plus 1 and plus 9x squared, 10x squared, plus 12x. 4 minus 20, negative 16, equals 0. You can divide by 2, or you can find the answer using your calculator. If we divide by 2, 5x squared plus 6x minus 8 equals 0. Now we can find the two values for x. Mode 5, 3. So we have 5 equal, 6 equal, negative 8 equal, then equal. So x equal negative 2, the other value 0.8 or 4.5 as a fraction. Now substitute to find y. We have x equal negative 2. We can substitute here to find y. So 3 times negative 2 plus 2, which is negative 6 plus 2, negative 4. The other value, y, when x is 0.8, so 3 times 0.8 plus 2, which is 3 times 0.8, 2.4 plus 2, 4.4. So the 2 points, negative 2, negative 4. The second point, 0.8 and 4.4. Number 4, x squared plus y squared, 26. Y equal 3 minus 2x. Start with the linear equation. Get y or x. We have y equal 3 minus 2x. Substitute in the quadratic. So x squared plus y, which is 3 minus 2x, all squared equal 26. Expand. So x squared, 3 times 3, 9. Negative 2x times negative 2x, positive 4x squared. The middle term, 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 2, 12. We have negative, so negative 12. Negative 12x. 26 go to the other side by negative. So minus 26 equals 0. Now combine the like terms, 4x squared and 1x squared, so 5x squared. Minus 12x, 9 minus 26, so negative 17 equals 0. Now solve for x. Also you can use a is 5, b negative 12, so negative 12 equals c equal negative 17, so negative 17 equal, then x1 is negative 1, and x2 17 over 5. By the same way, by substitution, you can find the corresponding value for y. So y equal 3 minus 2 into negative 1, which is 5. The other value, y equal 3 minus 2 into 17 over 5. We can find the answer. 3 minus 2, 17 over 5, 17 over 5. So negative 19 over 5. So now the answer negative 1 and 5, or 17 and 17 over 5, negative 19 over 5. This is the 2 points. This is the intersection point for this. And by the same way, you can solve the rest.